Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can gift a game to a friend on Steam. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to find the game you want to gift on Steam. So I'm going to type in the game in the search box and then click on the game I want to gift to a friend. Then you want to scroll down and go to the purchase options. Then you want to pick the item you want to add to your cart. In this case, I'm just going to pick Call of Duty Black Ops 7, not the Vault Edition or the COD points. So click on Add to Cart. Then the important step is, in the For My Account section, you're going to want to click on it. And you're going to want to click on This is a gift. Then you want to click on View My Cart. Then you want to click on Continue to Gift Options. Then you need to click on Select Gift Recipient. And you'll be presented with your friends list, and you need to pick a friend you want to gift the game to. You can type in the search box up here to search through your friends list. I'm going to pick Jordan, so once you've navigate to the friend you want to gift to, click on their name. After that, you can then give them a message. I'm going to tell them to please subscribe. You can also add a custom signature if you want to. So I'm going to put YouTube Superstar, because that's what I clearly am. Then for the delivery. You can do as soon as possible, or you can schedule a delivery. So if you've got a birthday present that needs to be on a certain day, you can click on here and interact with the calendar, and you can even specify the time. Or you can just send the gift ASAP if you want them to have it right away. Once you're happy with everything here, click on Continue to Payment. And you'll be presented with the payment page. If you're not happy with the payment method, feel free to click on Change. Then you can click on the drop-down box and change your payment method. So you can pick PayPal, you can do MasterCard, Visa, and a few others. I'm going to click on my PayPal account because it's saved to my Steam account. I'll click on Continue. I'll be then taken back to the Review Purchase page. Then you need to click on that you agree to the terms of service. Then click on Purchase. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.